Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Yes, this morning we are going to go straight to the program, but before then, I would like you to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. All right, this video is going to be a kind of reaction to why is such as a program. Lazuba, did the video. She said that she loves it when people share her video and that she can't wait to watch anybody, that kind of thing. You share her video and make it go viral. It's not about being go viral. It's not about making it go viral. It's about being, truthful and expose the lies and making sure that people will not be misled by your program. So I'm not saying that we police your program or we police everything that is going on. We're actually trying to understand it better. That's the essence of bringing it forward, because you cannot just run a controversial program and you expect people to just keep quiet because nobody want to talk about it to prove that you are not sharing your video. No, if that is your own style of begging their friends or begging us not to talk about your video, you failed. We're gonna talk about it in a very good way. I'm not here to do saga to insult you, unless if your video insult you. If you insult yourself in your own video, that is on you. But you have to say it where it is without adding anything, but expand the knowledge or the message that you have, so that it will be very easy for people to understand what you're actually trying to say. All right. So she made a program, and in that program she said that Ebekudike sent a message to her, and that's why we are going to go through it to find out what prompted me to react on this way, because this is a kind of reaction to that her video. All right, is for the fact that Ebekudike claimed that they are planning to buy PM. That part is where I felt okay, and let me use the opportunity to thank the person that sent me. I don't need to mention your name. You know yourself. Thank you so much for sharing the, to share this something to me. As long as you felt that it's worth sharing and you shared it to me, and after going through it, I said, okay, I found out that it's truly we need to talk about it. I have to thank you so much for that, and I appreciate you. Please, our WhatsApp link is still out. If you want to join us, I can see some. This is one thing about this is the beauty of life. People will come, people will go. People will come, people will go. The thing is that the WhatsApp group, reason why I create that WhatsApp group is not to build any media warrior to attack anybody or to promote anything, but to have a better knowledge, to understand what is going on, and if you have anything, instead of you to keep it to yourself, you can bring it up and talk about it. And there's somebody who made a voice note in the WhatsApp group. Some of us don't understand the purpose of that WhatsApp group, but nobody responded to him. I will respond to you if you are watching this video. I will in that WhatsApp group. But that your WhatsApp, that your message there. We need to understand that we are not building any secret organization or anything as such. We have yesterday somebody called us there, placed a general call in that WhatsApp group, and when the first one I did not pick, the second one I picked, somebody is using white man video. Never I don't know who they are. But in our the group. Respect yourself. You don't need to do that kind of thing. A white old man in the WhatsApp group in a live video using somebody's that one man video as if that's your own on a live call on WhatsApp. And when I talked, they refused to say anything. After that, few people, two out of 16 people that was it's just a minute, 1 minute. That call lasted 1 minute. Is it up to 1 minute? I don't think. Just 1 minute. Let me just say 1 minute. Some of them that left, I blocked them. The reason is because you that is asking that question that you asked there, remember that you are not the only one in that WhatsApp group. There's a lot of people there in that WhatsApp group. People that are not actually following what you're doing, they're there to spy. Enemies, those who don't like us, are there. They want to know what the WhatsApp is all about. I know. They want to know what the WhatsApp is all about, and they want to speak some of the things there. Let me not say this. I'm going to say this. What I wanted to say now in that WhatsApp group. Let's go to the program. So the video may be somehow a little bit lengthy, but just bear with us. Hear this. For why is Ocha? Call Emma. Okay. Okay.
And the one is from a chicham block one. If also you also if you want a post and ask no post one. Yes. And I'm a block my daily and I'm a block my daily and I'm one of my block of Ebeku. About tomorrow this evening, Ebeku will send the one Lexus. One of them goes in the Lexus, or it's in the Paramorphine, maybe the man by your Canada, please. I have an uncle in Italy, then I know you, but I'm my Ocha one we have me an answer to be more. Uncan. Ugarivo de la Gude, my receipt here, go tell you what okay, the print here, account number, send here. Which is nonsense if it's rubbish here and I call that please. I will even after here. If I can get those things, that's a good key if I send it. Ebekudike will be the voice. Voice is on your mouth, if in Macanon is so, doesn't know get killing. No get kill open on. Now I go get killing. Uje walking carry release on dog kidnap. No one and the boy so get kidnap. No walk and kill it all easy if not, Nancy we are there. And the other town all of those guys moto the Anacolo, those guys. Moto and the return all of the guys so, concern now from gentle, from Obatobie, Bayana gentle, from gentle now, okay, Kelly. And see, I'm my born, I'm not broken, Kelly. I take Corona, Nalogan, Kelly, Mombia. Only and I need a cheap, and I will even pony. So, Eben Nelly is a standard no question. Now you are talking about 60 years, 100 years. Now look at supplies. How about the 40 years? And don't make a bit. But even the team came out that now. How about to be you wouldn't know your when you say happy way. Not even that team came out. And then they go, what take him here. When I know drag and no many things, why you are even in you're not on I know what a point. Ebekudike. Next soon on after an or 2 weeks. I don't surprise me, no, not 2 weeks. Because I'm going to base on which you not going to have no, and my dad don't need it.
Now, I want to say something. Listen. This is one of the reasons why we do what we do. You understand? Like I said, I had that joke. And not guarding detrimental to other people's life and what they're doing. Like, especially those that are doing something that are not actually affecting people's life and their well-being. Okay? Rubbish format na very easy. In a work here, this issue between Ebekudike. Now, Ebekudike drag load, but according to you, now you are the one dragging Ngozi to this your statement. And you said that Ngozi, that's US, no. And after saying that, I don't blame you because Iman, or they call the bossa, or they call the guru. Iman Ife, Mani claim name Ife. Upon name Ife, you should have understand that before you put Ngozi Garon, you get evidence. Like, evidence, it goes no. On a fundraising. Or that hide. On a pattern, steady. So, just few days ago, was not last week. If a functional, if a post na tweet here, live or if na mpaghara na US. Mani the banana claim on Nigeria, if you want to criticize something, be logical, make it make sense. You are not talking to your children. Okay? Say, oh, really defending madam. You need defending madam. It's not about defending anybody, it's about being realistic. Even Adajan and Atuas, Kirima, insult Dajan. You are insulting Ajan and nowhere. You cannot be preaching lie, falsehood, and all this nonsense, and you expect people to keep quiet. It doesn't work that way. That is why I have issue with many of you. Okay, that's why I have issue with one of you. And somebody says that's what somebody said today, and he's one of those that I said I don't want to talk about him or her. I don't want to react on him or her anything for now. But okwu ga-anọrọ okwu esemokwu ga-anọrọ anọrọ nwoke na unu aga na-agba ya mbọ ịgbatị ya mbọ ọ ka e wee si na ị na-ekwu okwu n'igwe ogboro a ikwu okwu na you don't care like you normally say. Let me not go there yet. But what I want you to know is that in as much as you are dealing with Ebekudike, which you willingly choose to do it, because imagine no you also na jinombe Ebekudike na-etest ya. Go on, my get twist here. Oh, na very educated na social media. Ndị ụmụ Biafra na broadcast. Gị na-eno ya nka, no ya nka. Odo ya ọzọ Ebekudike fụrụ word of communicate ọ bụrụ oya. Ife again Ebekudike na ha keep and chat. Ọ bụ no, for example, no progress the analyst. Bife Ebekudike contact. Optakwuo na Ebekudike kwuru. Gị wa mma. You get twist ya. If a progress is you come Ebekudike, Ebekudike contact and the progress be fake. That she's a fake. That's why she's working with Ebekudike together with Ngozi Labeze. Your people, we can debate Ngozi Labeze. Man, now you are the one and holding the contact of Ebekudike. Contacting Ebekudike is pouring his mind. And again, I rub shoulder. Why? Because some man are not gonna buffer with you don't know how to comport yourself. You don't know what is rude, what is do and don't. For example, you told in one of your videos that we talked about yesterday, you told Eggman that na PM no go see the PM na social media. No go see information minister. It might for the open and PM see which is true. Because somebody told me that as well. But the thing is that as you are saying that as well, you are bragging, you are actually dragging PM at the same time. Not when you are report to Eggman, no, but you look at what you told the Ebekudike na. Gini can you na PM may not appear, not get with appear, which is exactly what Eggman, which you criticize, was saying. Not get with appear. Or what's the getting on my win? I can cause who they were saying. He keep on coming to you to get information from PM. You are because if in the I'm not qualifying in Ebekudike, we get recording like a record. So for Ebekudike to keep on coming to you, is a lie. There's something that he's gaining from you. Ocha pass message, you are not the only one. He can also call other people. Do you understand? Platform you carry. But yeah, because I'm on a so because some man, my friend go abo ya fuku, no one you are nega babu. As simple as that. And the same thing goes to Eggman. Don't know about freeway. Now, I don't know anything going on about PM court case and anything, but all manner, you have time to penetrate, to gather information, and to leak it and use it for negativity. That's why he keep on following you. Oh, again, I'm busy. Nobody gets it for wagon. Not saying that now. No, no matter if everybody, when I usually when I make one or two things. If I refer bold the AI again, it was now working follow back. Let's continue.
Wow. Isi lukuni yesu webucha so maja. Zana ngozo la beze cho 200 million. $200,000. Vamba vancha 10,000. Edi awonu cha 20 million. Amama begi yogo ne to side nkigi. So now when you tell now where my problem. Because na plan unu niile. Who the need now that meeting now they were my idea. And that's my plan. Now serious plan unu na unu niile jinaka kita how to ibu soludo. Or plan unu kita. Ihe niile unu na kita acho how you dey yesi we bobo soludo. Onya koncho.
Keki swema. Bobo nebo agents. How did you know that? One thing about gossip is that you cannot gossip when you are for you to get information from gossip department, you must have deposited something in that department that made you to have access to information. Or what you got gas, no one can go and reply the person. One can get it from you. Especially Ogi Quota, Kuechi, the person is coming back to you because no one call you and they will get from you. Kedifi, the person will go for again and why now. Nana was so, and you are saying it because you are very close to literally Busuludo, or no, if you can't Busuludo neighbor. The question is, where do you belong? It's not going to be belong to a journalist. The question is, say as oh yeah, now I ain't talking claim on neighbor. Kedi ife mezi no ni dey a report other things. The man could mezi obola asha kina you just not worry. And that is a problem, a very big one. Naturally, Musoludo. So Ngozi, Dr. Ngozi Rebeze and Ebekudike, they go in associate in a Chukwese. They go in associate COS with Ebekudike. So if you can as COS nonsense, you more the test like if I want you and a week, you make give. I don't know what is wrong with some of our people. To be honest with you, I don't really know. I don't know what's wrong with them. Anyway, let's continue.
Now, serious plan on unu niile jinaka kita how to ibu soludo. Or plan on kita.
Okay, I go here.
Ihe niile unu na kita acho how you dey yesi we bobo soludo. Onya koncho. Sana yenu ibu soludo that was my problem. All it is soludo ndi bu egbe. And ogbe yesi na egbe na obu mo yesi na mana. That one is not my problem.
Okay.
Because if also with a they don't need any zivie, any all of here, any put on all of here.
Okay.
So
And then
the man I didn't kiss all do. But even not make a man that now. Plan giving a papa to be a need a no fail. Also no fail. That's nay at younger. I generally apply to the chap life. Say what it does a look at TV life. Nobody. That's a wonder. Thank God. The Ekpa upon your chininu TNC evidence or Johnny Nunu the TNC. Ebekudike we were to get it. Ebekudike.
Okay, I understand now.
Because that's the most important thing of what I did. Then I will go to don't know what I did about it. Now, they want to get with me, right? Because I got the moment. Jennifer Ben, 120 years, and then we have even as he stand now, at the way before that appear with you. Address Patonia.
ife Ebekudike kwuru. Ebekudike si na unu na-anọta ihe Ebekudike kwuru. That's not the most important one atụrụ ya nga. That's nay after 60 years. I just better even with the child blind by the most important one atụrụ ya nga. Na abụnye ọnọ na ndị na-eje eme appeal maka ndị na-eje eme appeal. Na ọnwụ na-eme appeal na ya after about 100 and something years. And na ya egwu that place. No matter what they hadn't women, they hadn't women that appeal. Get not take because only if somebody in a like this, it's a little bit I only need to get my message. I only need to get my life. And then I'm making different land in Malo. Making sure that now this message will not be for na be visit you. Here meeting anybody aka, here shake anybody. Because a more system is way that you a mile away, a mile also. This people we Jibia. Because Ebekudike that no battle be hard.
You know, I don't want to accuse anybody. But you remember you went to CPM, hug PM, which looks so suspicious. Go on a good one. Odi in the point it is a blog at PM. Very, very suspicious. Gena egg mazawa. Gena mazawa and Imam Madawa. If that look only Imam Madawa. Able to make prove of reference that now no abonde ojuehirisi and all that. But the Ebekudike in Egoku, one thing they got what about that now. Oh, he believe a guy na you bokule. You got that Ebekudike Kuniaga AGC gentle when no in some of his video before. In a chief woman this Ebekudike goes no more. Is you don't bother to like Guinea a good steady. If you don't get that because same man I got you why you keep such contact constantly. If you don't this is man block and no reason and man block what any reason other than a question. What any reason anyway. Ebekudike contact first according to you. I'm more contact I'm more again and who came back. I'm more again and I I cannot come out now and say this is how it is. But judging by what you showed, what you yourself brought out, you couldn't no just contact number again on social media. Or plus also get number on social media. Or plus also go. Or plus also get number again on social media. Many people have their number out there, even their contact, their email. People, run live program. Everybody can jump in. Could nada number and all that. Why is your voice also go? You get why? Because you cannot tell me that now well forget or just talk again and now you know about go something. You are not doing anything positive by keeping the contact of Ebekudike. Ebekudike just want to use you to know what is going on, and that is why the only thing that metutu the words will cut off. I'm not saying that cut you off for him to progress. I don't need him to celebrate on that one because the another dirty job. But all your opponent my faith is stay away because you go on. It was just like a mirror. Now through you, people will see everything. In a way, intelligent. I don't understand. A man that never for once wish any Biafrans good. I'm going to go the folk with that from your own video. The folk will ever. I'm not I can get. We are going to get the other place now. Ebon de Kuniabo, one of my son. You can know that. This will tell you that now. Oh yeah, we career straight. What if somebody walk me to go to meet the end of that for take a logo and everything? Okay, Rafok stop. Why not carry on ever? Ochi ka Mazi Nnamdi na-apụta. Mazi na-apụtazi peche na Mazi Nnamdi na-azụ na-ekwuzi maka pressure group ka ike weta ego because you want to cash out like Rafs will cash out. If you are all different ideology, different template coach. Kita na no na work na meeting Mazi Nnamdi na prison. Thank God I work with Ekpa because that is what everybody should. Any reasonable human being will understand that yeah, we meet Mazi Nnamdi na prison. It's suspicious. Kafasa achọ Igbo PM, Kafasa achọ Igbo Mazi Nnamdi, the same group of people, and the reason they have different reasons, but the reasons are somehow related. Mazi Nnamdi is the why must he refuse to reach agreement with Nigerian government and Kewete Shi and Kefa have one or two things? What about the point? Both some of Mazi Nnamdi's relation. So Mazi Nnamdi on a cash, that's just a fact. That's why most of them are doing what they're doing. Mazi Nnamdi is going through what he's going through because of Umuania. Some of Umuania, I don't want to call the name. Some of Umuania and some of the name. No, Mazi Nnamdi is my leader. They don't mean well. Go and work if they say keep contact of somebody now from Kembo where no feel that they are not supposed to cash out. Or we go to cash out. The person that cash out, you will get benefited from. Upon the management had ECPM and all this because now they want to force Mazi Nnamdi to accept, want to force him to submission. Yagana Lego. Can have another percentage, okay, roll over. So if you Mazi Nnamdi will be a problem to them. And they felt that Mazi Ekpa, what his activities and everything on him, they motivate Mazi Nnamdi to refuse to accept that offer. So the best thing also to get him away so that Mazi Nnamdi is too vulnerable to accept. Go and keep contact of a man like you now. That makes you what? Answer that to yourself, not to me. I'm not going to tell you what it makes it to be.
We made that appeal. Now I can be a bar. Get me and take it.
Because that's the most important thing of what I
one of my voice and hello.
I don't want to bring this this color here. Just this is another Afonja or another Fulefu. We don't need your validation here. Okay, I don't need it. Honestly, I don't need it. Let me just skip it a little bit.
Even when I think I'm because I'm a woman, but I can't behave like this.
She can play her own voice and get the mig. I don't believe that that's why play. There must be something that you used to tell this man that make him to keep on coming to you.
If I was gentle, from gentle to Genkele, shame on you. Shame on you. Send the LLED video from gentle now to Genkele. From Simon to gentle. From gentle to Genkele.
There is no need to doubt now. Actually, PM. You know what? Everybody, man. And PM, of course, Chineke bifeji ndụ mmadụ ọbụla mmadụ mana mmadụ ga-eme ka o ji wee bụrụ mmadụ wee chịkwa ndụ ya. The thing about that now, people visiting him and going to visit him and all that, PM need to work on that. You understand? But Ebekudike sometimes Ojo na atuju agba. Ọbụkwa na what if ọ ga-emewo onye obi ọjọọ. mana ọ bụrụ ya ka mmadụ chọrọ ikwu ya. So obi ọjọọ ya dịgodiri dịrị onwe ya, but nke ọbụla mmadụ na-eme ya ọmakwasa ahụ mara onwe ya. So we are not going to continue this. I just want to play that part of naturally a person. If I game make us meet in American and all these things. Or the same man that told you, you be love, okay, because he like he gentle so much, like many people do. Okay. But this man I get this gentle women can make cause. Kai kwechukwe na egbu onye na emego nka men cause. Is your Chineke jindo mmadụ. I'm not here to tell you yes, name them on a million because I'm not an answer. I don't know what is going on there. But my prayer is that God, in His own infinite mercy, will protect His people. All this nonsense going on and a boy and guy, and we imagine say again, amen. Imagine say again, amen. Anyway, that's something I want us to check on here. I want to bring to your notice this. Master Mechanical health is another issue. It's another issue, but maybe we're gonna bring that on another video. Okay, let's hear this because in our live broadcast I told us about this guy. Okay, let's hear this.
Everybody should rise up. Only this boy. From goes on a base at this point.
Again.
You see, I told you people.
Just listen.
If you follow Ngozi Olabese, you know one after the other. Ngozi Olabese asks you question because what they name they were here. On a one man for her drabes here. How can the basic woman? But not on to Kai television.
Okay. I'm not coming up on my car.
Humble idiot. And Kelena. Exodus. Kedabayano. Other rubbish. Yana problem of analyze. Where is this boy? Where is this boy? John goes on a base. See, I'm not telling you this man. 3 days. Can this boy put on a social media? Can I actually for you? John goes on a base. Can you follow me? The afternoon goes in. Oh, well, I did go 247 June yesterday or this morning. Mama was so June Nigeria. Also, not support USB. Man, on a USB media team. How manage? No, not support USB. I do not support Ngozi Olabese. And even Ngozi Olabese, they make them. None of you, none of the media team of Ngozi Olabese as if I will media government. None of you. When our top is here with the media government. They don't need it. Can only media gossip. Nobody. But now we can do that. If you want to put this guy with a transit one, won't do media gossip. That's on social media. And when I go to the content creator, yeah, people can have this boy on what they might do.
Okay. I'm not going to this message. If you go to for many of you know me. I don't talk about to go 247 for my personal reasons. And I have my reason, I have my rights not to talk about to go 247. We go to everybody. Do you understand? Which actually, practically, I'm supposed to respond to that, but I still maintain my lane. Then he ended up mentioning names, which he did not add me names. Yeah, more because soon could be anybody, even you. So the reason is this. I'm someone that like man, I'm married, and they care because of those signal portal. I'm not responding to go, but to you. Everybody have right to say what they want to say. In our water. Go on at the government. We don't challenge at the government media team in Ethiopia. Let me remind you, I've been here. But those beautiful days, I did not join. okay, for my personal reasons. And I did not join, like I told you, I have my reason. I'm just speaking for myself. I'm not responding to, I'm not defending the other person. I'm talking to myself. Because Ekpa Alpha here, Ugo did not mention my name. So because of Ekpa Alpha, Kaya TV, that's why I'm responding. If you don't respect my opinion and my reasons, which I don't, I'm not telling you, and I have right not to tell you, I'm not owing you any explanation. But ke water that na ogu no channel na you know one of that media, you go on a media. In a water. Guam if you put it. Channel. Not Guam if you did you actually see yourself as a media team? Like government should be proud of you, or Sonaparawa, or Egma, all of you. Okay, the problem they face started from media. The problem they face is that division, everything started from media. People want to manage media, and I chat media. I did not start after K declared Biafra. Or when K declared last November. No, I've been here. Come on, you put all about them. Open up, give the form. To get about to get but what I'm saying about you don't question people like that. Reasons. Everybody have their own reasons. Monopoly reasons I go and end up to with like that. And you cannot push me to tell you my reasons. That's number one. Number two, go that now. Go on our judge. Be problem to the. In fact, the government himself, they regret if you have to rule guys in media. Go out with the loan. Lazuba. I'm surprised that we go that now. Now go about Lazuba gave everybody man. Like I said, I don't want to go there. I equal furniture equal. Unu ga pack at bone. Equal furniture. Like I have not been even to you now. I'm fighting. I don't fight anybody. I'm just responding and reacting to what you guys are saying. Your flop. Kind of mistake. Imagine that person. To the extent of I got drag many things without looking back. Aside that because of what if everybody if open up quarter with what you're so I cannot just stand up and because of you I said to divert my attention. No, there's no need for that. Speaking of the guy you're asking, I don't know him in person. I do come across his post some time ago. I watched one of his clips where he said that people and all that. Honestly, I bought them no bongo. All go put the guy what attack I select about the kind of surprise. Okay. So this guy na bongo when they more video and it's okay. I'm not na bongo. Man, I want to have because I'm a celebrity for the but to tell you how bad you are as a media person. Please, dear friends and anybody watching, watch this woman. Just understand one thing from here. I don't talk about BLA, but I'm gonna touch just few things. Watch.
I can talk all while.
Again.
And when I do Ebekudike, open no kiwe, na lezuno, na boo no, make it not boo we go. I can wait to find in the zoo. You see, Biafra liberation is the refer. Biafra liberation is the refer. Open no the women in the good everywhere, come everywhere. Man, still Biafra liberation is protecting life in Okigwe.
Biafra liberation, I'm not Biafra liberation.
But you did it for any terrorists, terrorize in Okigwe, now let's go see. Even I never before Okigwe. Okigwe testified that there's nothing like it full of Okigwe. Mbozo la benze, Ogen Kelly, and the drama van Mandotie, Ebekudike na Yetubuze Guato. All these criminals gang up and bring it.
So go and we didn't know holy.
Or no block Biafra liberation. Will I more the tank? Will I fight budget? Will I everything? Not only Biafra liberation still. Biafra liberation By vow that there is nothing, anything simple and gentle the Yahoo, and the makeup. Ebekudike, how many?
If I can manage, I'm more before the just a moment. Let me locate. Is it? Did I drag it much or what?
And I'm at a caterpillar also. Why now? Tianidia.
Let me start from here. Don't know what. No.
And I'm at a caterpillar also.
Madam, so if you can get also. The video is getting too long.
Why now?
Okay, let's hear from here.
Something.
Or you're not the guy on a church or listen.
I'm on no.
Yeah. Nothing personal on social media.
Okay, I have not any after okay, get it.
Okay.
Only for
hold on 26th of August 2025.
Hold on, let me expand this more.
From their Afghan soldiers, because only I complain with me from understand.
Let's say very carefully.
Understand. I'm going to if I were with them. Where maybe research. Based on no local commander and command contacts coming before. So with this guy, you say, one year video, when you're not alien, motor, and to cafe the way the motor may cruise. My TV on you. So, well, when not to say no, commander and can I chat on TikTok. So, whether it's so simple by one, you can see how far I'm for the social so day. And to not choke at the thing, game for game, equal. Or similar one, and everyone and they will only to a week way. Mugonye, what the motor, you again. When you motor, see over 100,000. So, where's you okay? Man, only one motor na approach you get that place. Understand? But who to give them chalk who could be? Understand? And based on the map of which go something like that on my page. Understand? Where chalk will be? You can record everything be on air. Where chalk out, where sick am gabadi.
Again, so that you understand.
6th of August 2025 come now. And Yama come now, Gadi, Nanti Gadi. Understand? Because of tomorrow go today 25th of August. That come here record against Omolu goes where they in future. Against Omolu goes where they. Understand?
Can you not talk on this woman? No, I'm not.
This particular video now, you can post here. Understand? You can post here, but Oman post immediately. You get near date or get the post to. Understand? You can schedule this video so that go post to like in 4 days, not 1.5 from Mania, so that can manage them jigger. Near the particular commander, near TikTok handle.
Nah, pause it. No. I made a mistake. I want you to know see the face of the commander. Just a moment. Okay, so that I drag it back.
So, where's you okay?
Okay.
Understand? But who to give them chalk who could be? Understand? And based on the map of which go something like that on my page. Understand? Where chalk will be? You can record everything be on air.
I want you to focus on what is such as facial look. Why this guy is saying what he's saying? You can see the joy in out of na edge akajoya. Again, because okay, if can them apụta na-egwu ego ụmụ aja na na-egbu ihe a na-eme ụmụ aja mana ha chọsị na dị na-akọntribut n'ife na-eme. Listen.
On 26th of August 2025, come na Gadi and Gadi. Because of tomorrow, today 25th of August, I come here record against Omolu goes where they in future.
Okay, na family, Megan.
Against Omolu goes where they understand. In the video, this particular video now, in the post here, understand. In the post here, but Oman post immediately. In the near date, okay, the post to understand. To get schedule this video so that go post to like in 4 days, not nandem 1.5 from mine, so that Kamara them jigger. Near the particular commander, near TikTok.
Nah, oh yeah, I get that. This person is very, very, very well known on social media. Okay, this is our brother here. Also have the commander and I meet. Few days ago, after maybe had a share picture. Man, it's a band in this year and I'm not sure if you know, we're making a video 2 days. I think it wasn't not yesterday, I think the day before yesterday. Can't watch that video from Ogenkere Media, one of the Ogenkere Media, which I don't want to mention his name. But I just want the reason why I don't want to publicize it because the more you are publicizing it, you're not gonna update back to this somebody. You put that here on social media, you're actually calling customers. And then Mama can say load the guy out. Well, because I don't want to get myself involved on any bloodshed or anything illegal. This thing that this guy that you heard his voice now, he made this video. Adia Mama, Yaga meet this commander. Or what can be the GT there? Just Kamalebe or take the video schedule like now I can make a video now that will be released, that will be published on in December. It is possible. December, maybe I think December is too far. This is okay, October, November. December, yes, you can. October, November, December. You can. 3 months, in the next 3 months. It's possible. This guy made this video to let people know. Open Oga Pota. Open Oga, maybe this commander Bata. Oga take the video down. But now, what you got this video if you watch now? That video now Jidaka published it because on us now. Or free, maybe not in the monitoring, but you don't have access to him alive. But all can follow us and my people Malaya. This commander Mama is with Biafran Division Army under Butozo and all of them. They are going actually with USB. He's not with the USB. Why Mama? Go video why I get a man Ebona Etokwe commander like I don't want to go in detail because I would have brought out her video able by lawyer even then Jeko and they our angels or this guy is not forward with that. I'm not against this guy. I don't know him. I'm not against any of them because I don't know them. But what I'm against is anybody, whoever you are, is not what Malagan or PM stand for. You are doing your own criminality in disguise. So, and on the YouTube, he make respect. He gets to benefit because he plays a bomb. If I thought in before John, do you understand? This woman now deny this command automatically here in this video. This command for more I have because I'm if you look cash also that guy in the Jovika. This guy is not the Jovika now to akasi boke make all this guy now here. Yeah, walk by no command and again meet. Or yaka why is never deny is here this angel. Deny ya totally. Now we're going to do Tungos upon that. This guy made the video by hero and I give meet you. What your TikTok handle ya? What everything. As a journalist, you don't want to do your investigation to know who is it. She know this woman, this guy, or put your eyeglass soldier from us yet. Or what if I may get
because no one may have reached the mood. When you can't have reached the mood. TikTok handle it.
The Kwamo Juruwa is last one.
Recognize things is work. Young also make this video. Yeah, AI.
In my friend, I may not your if not your Ocha. But that now this guy in a and this guy happened to be a supporter of USB. Okay, for how length these people can go to eliminate anybody in the opposite against that not support of if I Uta maketa na ichi na afi gi hojo go meso na parawa. Like actually be and say yamba. But I'm if he's not he's just trying to commit his own criminal activities. In the other if government, not me. Oh, Hana government Ghanaian. Hana the Biafra Ghanaian. Personally, I don't have any hatred on how to eliminate anybody, God forbid. Even my last way full about. Unfair get my man boy and they be for what? On the opinion yeah. On the other challenge about Biafrans, which is his government, not me. If you got the point now. Because whatever they are doing is not personal to me, it's about everybody. And you have government that will take charge of that. If you take law into your hand, that means you're undermining the presence of the government. Oh, them John, they will all take on each other. Game Akwasa, you join his army now. You get ready to work against if you game. You die your suggestion, and that's suggestion he made there. But personally, don't need to buy that as your personal case. Man, this woman is here. Now wagon and camp. This is how they deceive people. So far now you put all the fact, hey, see Charles, you will do boopies. I don't do that. Naked. They have AI.
So yeah, we can record and based on what you think tomorrow. I'll be Imago, go be a bellum and for a view. Understand on based on what Gamba Kwamboa and Biafran is sharp or believe able for Kafab.
If one of the motives, this guy to even prove to the whole world that these commanders and that he want to break the record and he to go there alive. Rescue another moto with the moto. Ocha to based on if you want to preach from his own angle. On the support to everybody. Man, I would do to know when his wife after that maybe somehow no that cut on Gozi or a base or USB government kaya switch or say that no do to Gozi jitezri yawa. If you got the point now, make a point.
This thing na this thing come on the voice we have because or they put go my one at the phone
all the very low.
So I on here. I'm a non may understand the check and the turn not the video. So I wanna
hey car talk each
I wanna the video and then but I don't know Melocho Maja.
No.
On 26th of August 2025.
Anyway, let me just wait and see what you want to say about it because it is very, very easy to know that the face of the commander is not with USB. That commander is not with USB. My name is gonna ask you why on
26th of August 2025. Kanjeri here from Wado Matamoto from Biafran soldiers had because what a complete different war.
Terem can be done easy. When to do Meloche and that's Rampono, Tagalamo, all the Porunkungozo are basic here, all the zombies. Ngozi Olabeze. Ka gala m Ngozi Olabeze n'onwe ya ka ọ bịa gee this boy ntị. And na anyị chọrọ ịfụ this boy. Geenụ ntị, werenụ ntị unu mere oche. Ga-atọ m iche.
And I said it, not target because he's a jackass here goes not target. Now the guy have not vegetarian.
6th of August 2025 ka njere ihe bụ mmadụ
Ama nọ na anụ ya.
from Biafran soldiers had because onye a complain with ife ngwu emere ya
26th of August.
na ka esi wee narị ya ego understand akwari ya motive
Otekwa n'aka 1 month plus now.
wee ebe research based on ọmụmụ commander nke contact m before so this guy bịazi gbanyere m vidio onye na-akarịa moto achụkafa ji wee were moto na-ekros onye ọyị so wee notice na ọ bụ commander nke na-acha atụ on TikTok understand so o wee dụrụ m so simple by me one ike see how far na m fụrụ so dey until na nchọ ka the thing ka ife oge biko ọ sị m n'ụwa na ebe ọ na m debere ọ na-etu ahụ ekwue mụ bụ onye nwere moto ihe oge enye onye m moto mgbe ya onye moto si na oge enye 100,000 understand so wee si oke mana onye nwe moto na-atụ ụjọ ịgara abụlet understand but moto gị na nchọ ka okwu bie understand and based on my publish or something like that of my page understand where you can record everything on air
As a madam.
As a madam.
On 26th of August.
This woman is very, very bad. Very, very, very evil. Legend.
Understand because of tomorrow God, today 25th of August, that can be recorded against Omolu Go's wedding in future. Understand? Against Omolu Go's wedding in future. Understand? In the video, this particular video now, in the post here, understand? In the post here, but Oman post immediately. In the near date, okay, the post here. Understand? So they schedule this video so that go post like in 4 days, more than 1.5 months. So that Kama even check it. Near the particular commander, near TikTok handle before that go this thing. So, but no one here bridge to the mood. Only a guy coming here bridge to the mood. In our TikTok handle. So, what I do is you recognize that things is welcome. And then you post, then you make this video. Yeah, no, AI, no more. FC1, understand? So yes, we are who can record already. Understand? Based on our modify the tomorrow. I'll be group here and Korabi. Understand? On based on what you can work on board na Biafran with sharp or believe a good for onye m chọrọ ka ndị rekọd olu steeti ka m dọkụmentị ya but along the line almost ife mere m nye nwa bụ ihe na-eji post this particular video. Thank you so much my people. I love you guys. Biko usoro eziokwu bụ ndụ.
Isoro n'eziokwu. Kanga igaliga. Ijamme ya. Aga m emela abalị nwere mabụ. Ọgwụ ego na-akpọ ise n'ozuru nkeji anya n'onu n'ozuru nka na-agba n'aka ozuru omume agbara gụrụ ọkụkọ dọtọ na-asọma kanga ịganga.
All right, I will stop it here. Let me just make my conclusion. You see, one thing you need to understand is that this guy did not do anything wrong. He did not do anything bad. And I want to use this opportunity to call on USB government to try and do what you can to rescue this guy if I thought he's still alive. Because 25th of August, 25th of August, now we are now in October. Okay? So more than 1 month. I don't know, to be honest with you. It has been long. According to him, he made a video on 25th and he will go there on 26th of August. September has come and gone. Now, today is 3rd of October. As of time, the day that I'm recording this one is 3rd of October 2025. So you can see the gap. So meaning that the guy want to, to test if what they're saying is true or not, and this is what happened to him. It's very, very shameful. Very, very, very shameful. So I'm not gonna. I know why I record this video. I don't want to run it on the live broadcast. Anyway, thank you so much. Please share it so that you get to cabinet, different USB cabinet members, and the idea of buying themselves, like Ebekudike said, government should also look into that one to make sure they protect PM from that kind of move. I don't know if they have succeeded in poisoning Mazamaka, I don't know. But ndị Igbo ka na-aya. Ndị Igbo ka ndị Igbo na-aya. Thank you, my people, and God bless you. Please let me know what you think about all we discussed. This video is very long one, 1 hour plus. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new. See you again. Bye-bye for now.